So with lidded vessels, I like to make all my lids first, and you make them all the same size. I'm going to use the end of this needle tool here, and that's as big as the lids are going to be. That's the width that I'm going to work with for the fitting. You can use calipers if you have them, but anything will work. So when I go make a lid, I like to throw it off the hump. And I'll show you this technique. It's really fast, very efficient. You want to have your wear board ready. And this is going to be the hump that I'm going to be throwing off of. So I want to make a bunch of lids, regardless if I'm going to use them all. You just make sure you make enough lids so your pot isn't left without a lid that fits it properly. So I'm going to show you the technique of throwing from the hump.